Today, we will demonstrate a simple way to cut our silicone hoses. You will need a ruler, penknife with fresh blades, a hose clamp, and a screwdriver. We will be using the hose clamp as a cutting guide. First, put on the hose clamp. Tighten it just a little bit so it doesn't move about freely. Use the ruler to measure the length that you will need to cut. Adjust the clamp to the correct length. Make sure you get all the sides lined up. Once it looks okay, tighten the clamp and make sure it is secure. You don't want it to move when you are making the cut. Using your penknife, cut slowly along the edge of the hose clamp. To ensure a smooth edge, it is important that you are using a fresh blade. A dull blade will leave a jagged edge. This clamp design doesn't allow us to make a complete cut around the hose. We will remove the clamp and finish up the last bit by hand. And there you have it. That's how you can resize our silicone hoses.